welcome back to Lots of Yum for You. It's me, Chef Connie, and I want to show you how you can create this quick and easy shrimp and lobster sauce dish for yourself and your family. Stay tuned. Oh my gosh, another dish of deliciousness. But this one has I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ingredients. We're going to be making some shrimp. That's right. We're going to be making a Chinese shrimp and lobster sauce. Does that not sound delicious? Low carb. It's going to be low carb, folks. Yeah. And keto, healthy, yummy. So let's dive right into this video and create this shrimp and lobster sauce deliciousness. Okay, everyone, we're going to dive right into making this deliciousness. I have shrimp, salt, soy sauce, carrots and peas, sugar, cooking sherry, oil, cornstarch, fresh garlic, water, and 2 beaten eggs. So we're going to go over to the stove and let's get ready to create this deliciousness. Okay, everyone, before we get started, we're going to pour the cooking sherry into our shrimp and mix it around. And that's just the cooking sherry. Oops. The cooking sherry. And then I'm going to put some cornstarch, half of our cornstarch, into the bowl with the cooking sherry and the shrimp. And I will see you guys in 5 minutes because I'm going to let the shrimp and cooking sherry marinate together. So I'll see you guys in 5 minutes and then we're going to start cooking. Okay, everyone, I'm back and ready to start cooking. I'm going to turn our fire on to a medium high and using a wok today, which is one of my favorite pans. So I've got our pan on a medium high flame and I'm going to add the oil. And I will give all the ingredients in the description box with the measurements. So we're going to add the oil. I'm waiting for the oil to get hot. Okay, everyone, I can see that our oil is getting hot enough for our shrimp. So now it's time to put our shrimp that has been marinating in the sherry and cornstarch into the oil. Oh yeah, there we go. We'll be cooking this shrimp for, depends on the size of your shrimp. You'll be cooking it between 3 to 7 minutes. These are kind of a medium large, so they'll probably cook close to the 7 minutes. You can see that our shrimp is cooking because you can see it turning pink. And we want to make sure that we cook our shrimp well done. Make sure you cook your shrimp not on top of each other, but kind of layered flat in the pan, where each individual shrimp is touching the pan. And as you can see, the shrimp is cooking pretty fast. Okay, our shrimp has been cooking for about 5 minutes. I'm going to give it about a minute more. Just want to make sure that it's done. All my pieces are, because these are some nice medium-sized pieces. And you can see as it cooks that you will see kind of a crust on there from that cornstarch. And while our shrimp is cooking, I'm going to mix in the 1 cup of water. I'm going to mix my 1 cup of water with my soy sauce and sugar. And my salt. And then the last of the cornstarch. And mix all these ingredients together off to the side. And wait for my shrimp to finish cooking. And the shrimp looks pretty good. So it looks like our shrimp is ready now. And this is our sauce that I've mixed off to the side. I just have it sitting here. Now that our shrimp is ready, I'll give it one more stir, and I'm going to put it into a side dish. Okay, our shrimp is ready. With the same bit of oil, I'm going to go ahead and put in the crushed garlic, our garlic, and peas and carrots. Okay, and we're gonna cook this around and saute the vegetables until for at least 30 seconds to 1 minute. You can smell this garlic. It smells delicious. Okay, it's been almost a minute. So now I'm ready to add our sauce that I just mixed together. So here's our sauce. I'm going to add this. This white stuff on my spoon is actually cornstarch. All right. It'll dissolve right now. And you can see the corn, I'm going to lower the heat, but you can see the cornstarch actually thickening up rapidly. We'll let this thicken for about 2 to 3 minutes. I might add just a little bit more water. Wow, it's nice and thick. Okay, and now we have our thick sauce. Go ahead and put in our beaten egg. So we're gonna quickly stir in this egg. We have 2 eggs here beaten, mixing it with the sauce. And kind of stirring the egg in quickly. You can use 1 to 2 eggs. I will make sure all this information's in the description box. Okay. Because the sauce was so hot, our egg has already pretty much cooked and blended with our sauce. And now we're gonna throw the shrimp back in here. Gonna place our shrimp back in here. That's it, folks. Turn off the fire. The shrimp are already cooked. The sauce thickens fast. And this is it. Our food is ready. And this is a quick, easy, delicious dish. It's ready. And there we go. All done. And then we're going to taste this deliciousness. Thanks for watching and learning how to make that quick and easy Chinese dish, which is shrimp and lobster sauce. And here we go with this deliciousness. I even have my chopsticks. Yes, I do, because I'm ready. So let me give this a taste and see what we have here. Mmm. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. So, yummy, yummy. I'm gonna take another bite of this when I go off camera. All right, absolutely delicious. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you know when I come out with even more delicious videos. This video right here, this can be a low carb dish. I have rice here. You can have rice, cauliflower rice. Have this as a side with the salad without the rice, even with some steamed broccoli, steamed veggies. So thanks for watching. See you and bye for now.